We now move to session 7, Wealth, Power, and Social Responsibility. In the previous session, we explored knowledge and justice. We saw that truth is made accessible, that justice is necessary for a human life to function in balance. In this session, we move further from the principles that guide society to the forces that shape it. We explore two closely connected themes: wealth and social responsibility. Let us look at theme wealth, power, and corruption. Across all human societies, it is noticed that wealth and power play a central role. They influence decisions, they shape relationships, and determine the direction of communities. But across all revelations, a consistent warning appears. Wealth and power are not inherently wrong, but they are a test. In early tradition, wealth is often associated with arrogance and excess. Those who possess it may become self-sufficient, forgetting their independence on God and neglecting responsibility toward others. Societies of powerful figures reflect this pattern. Prosperity leading to pride, and the pride leading to downfall. Then, in the Moses stage, this theme becomes more structured. Wealth is regulated, obligations are introduced, giving, charity, and fair dealing. The aim is not to eliminate wealth, but to prevent its abuse. In the teachings of Jesus, the warning becomes more direct. Attachment to wealth is presented as a spiritual danger. It can distract, mislead, and create false priorities. The emphasis shifts from possession to detachment, from accumulation to generosity. In the Quran, this theme reaches full balance. Wealth is recognized as part of life. It is neither condemned nor glorified. It is a trust, a means, not an end. Human beings are given the ability to earn, to own, and to benefit, but they are also required to give, to support those in need, to act fairly, and to avoid exploitation. So, across these stages, a clear pattern appears. Early traditions warn against arrogance. Moses' stage regulates wealth through law. Jesus emphasizes detachment, and the Quran integrates all of this, allowing wealth while disciplining its use. Wealth is not the problem, it is how it is used. Let us look at the other theme, the social responsibility. If wealth and power are tests, then another question follows. What is the responsibility of the individual toward others? Well, across all revelations, the answer is clear. Human beings are not meant to live in isolation. They are part of a society and they carry responsibility within it. In early tradition, this appears through basic moral expectations: helping others, avoiding harm, acting with fairness. But these expectations are not always organized into a complete system during those early ages. In the Moses stage, social responsibility becomes structured. Laws define obligations toward the poor, toward the vulnerable, the stranger. Care is no longer optional, it is required. And in the teachings of Jesus, the emphasis deepens. Responsibility becomes compassion, not only fulfilling duty, but acting with mercy, with kindness and sincerity. Helping others is not just an obligation, it becomes a reflection of faith. In the Quran, this theme reaches full integration. Social responsibility is embedded in all aspects of life. Giving is regular, not occasional. Support for others is structured, not left to chance. Care for others is a defining characteristic of belief. The needs of individuals are recognized. The balance of society is protected, and responsibility becomes both personal and collective. So again, across these stages, the pattern becomes clear. Early traditions introduce moral concern. The Moses stage structures obligation. Jesus emphasizes compassion, and the Quran integrates all of this, creating a system where care is continuous and responsibility is shared. Society is not sustained by individuals alone, but how they care for one another. In the next session, we continue this journey from society as a whole to its most essential units: family, relationships, and the tensions that arise within them, and how harmony is maintained. Thank you.